How to fix TrustWallet app not working. So the very first thing you can do is look up if your app is updated or not. For that, you need to go to your Play Store and search for the given app. Go to the search bar and search for TrustWallet. After that, tap on the app, and here you will be able to see the update option if your app needs any kind of update, and just tap on update. And after the update is complete, see if that fixes the issue or not. Even if that doesn't fix the issue, then what we can do is just go to the settings of this app. For that, you may just long press on it and tap on this eye icon, or go to your settings and look up to apps, and under there you will find the TrustWallet app. And here what you need to do is just go to storage. After going on storage, here are two options of clearing your cache and clearing your data. So this will help you to reset your app, which will basically help you to fix the issue that is happening on your device right now with TrustWallet. So just tap on clear cache, and then if that doesn't work, just tap on clear data, and you will be good to go. And the very last option, even if that option doesn't work, is we need to uninstall the app and reinstall the application onto your device. Just tap on uninstall and tap on OK, confirm the deletion, and then reinstall the application by going into your Play Store if you are in your Android device. So in this way, you can fix your TrustWallet not working issue into your device by following these ways. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.